help us understand your perspective on the challenges revolving compliance that you've managed in a variety of companies that you've been a part of.
The challenges as a compliance professional that we face is basically streamlining the routine compliance task because of the humongous number of compliances that are applicable to the organization, and also to ensure that we ensure that there is a compliant organization and there is accountability in place. And we as compliance professionals, we have to ensure that we make people understand that what they are accountable for, and not fear. There is always a fear of compliance that if NHB is coming or RBI is coming to inspect, there is always a fear in mind. But fear that's
So, Ankit, if I may request you to drill down on this fear, why this fear exists. Is it because somebody is hiding something? Is that the reason of the fear, or reason is fear of the unknown, where you don't know what they are going to unearth? What do you think is the main reason for this?
The main fear is because of not being non-complied, but because of getting something. Because see, compliance is something which is not earlier, how Priyanka mentioned, everything was in an Excel sheet. Now we are going ahead with a system-based tracking, a possibility of not missing any deadlines and all. So there is always one fear that, though we from our perspective are of the view that we are compliant in all aspects, but the regulators, when regulate, is very difficult. Believe me, Rishi, from last 3 years I've been handling NHB inspection. It is not easy to understand and read the minds of the regulators. It is not at all easy. So if you sit with them for the whole day, they will ask you question in general, and from that in general question they will pick out something which you could have not expected. Be it IT side, be it business side, or any field and forays and forums of the organization.